Hey guys, Austin here. Just wanted to update you on where we are as a church here at the Well with everything going on with coronavirus. Just want you to know that we are following the guidelines that the CDC and the city have put out for us. And so because of that, as we talked about last week, we have suspended all of our gatherings here as a church. That includes our Sunday morning services, our gospel communities, and any supplementary type classes and Bible studies that we have throughout the week. Now, with that said, we are in the process of trying to figure out what moving forward as the Well in this season looks like. And so a couple things that we're going to be doing is that we're going to continue to have services online on Sunday morning. One thing that we'd like to encourage this week, as JR is going to preach for us here in just a little bit, is that we would like you to encourage you to take communion as a family. So that would just include some prep beforehand, maybe getting some bread and some juice out as a family to take and to partake of that together. And JR will be walking us through that this week at the end of his message. So we want to encourage that as a community this week. We also want to encourage, as we've talked through the people that are leading our Bible studies, we're not going to do our Bible studies obviously in the manner that we have been doing, but we will move forward doing Bible studies in a virtual sense. And so we're going to encourage you to go to the website or to the app to sign up to be a part of those. It's going to be no cost connected with these Bible studies, and we're not entirely sure what that looks like at this time, but there will be more information coming out about that in the weeks to come. So please just look forward to that. The other thing is that we are putting out a podcast called A Common Life. This is separate from the typical Sunday morning sermon podcast. This is really just a time that we as pastors and some other staff and some other people in the church will get together to just talk about where we are as a culture and the things that we're walking through collectively as a people in this season that we find ourselves in. There's a couple other things that are going to come out. We're going to have some family resources that are going to be available to us in the weeks to come. And also we're looking into ways that we can even socially connect online and connect with one another in a season where, I don't know about you, but there is just I feel a desperate need for connection. I know that I can speak for myself and the rest of the staff when I say that we miss you as a church. Like as a pastor here at the Well, I just know that I miss getting to interact with you on a weekly basis, and I want you to know that you are in our prayers. We love you, and we are continuing to be prayerful about what this season looks like for us as we continue on. And so please just be prayerful for the church, be prayerful for the leadership as we try to figure out what this looks like in the season to come. And just know that we love you, that we're praying for you, and that we miss you. Please, we're excited for you to tune into our services on Sunday morning, and there will be more information and videos to come in the weeks to come. Love you guys. We'll talk to you soon.